What are you saying, bro?
You got the vehicle, how you doing, Captain? You good?
Yeah, good, man. I'm good.
Bless. You got the old work vehicle now?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
What, the last time I see you had a car?
I don't remember what it was. I just remember we could never sort it. It was about 4 years ago, 5 years?
Yeah, it's a long time since I've seen you, bro.
Quick, bro. How old's your boy now?
Which one?
The one that you had, he was about 7, 8, and he was reciting you all the tools. I was just
You had the tools, yeah?
Yeah,
Might have been
you had 2 of them, I think. 2 of them.
Jaden is 17 now, and Leon is 13.
13, so
It might have been Leon.
it's about 7 years ago. Driving, imagine this. I got a new clutch, new clutch cylinder. Took this guy to fuck me around all year. Then I was driving it, but 1 day out of it, then that just popped. Steering went, everything. I managed to get back from Crystal Palace to here.
That's not good.
No, not good.
It's all clean now. All the pulleys seem fine, so the only thing that could probably be bad is the tension if it's going to be bad. If it even spins smoothly. Oh, I think this is it. Bit playing both of them.
Should it go back to normal after this?
Yeah, the power steering should work. You tell him, I've told him to get a new power steering pump and a new alternator if he doesn't want that bed to jump off again. Alright guys, if you need the bricks, my guy, get the Victorian bricks. The red bricks and the yellow bricks. I think the yellow bricks are more expensive, isn't it?
Yeah, the yellows are more expensive.
Yeah, and then you got the red bricks.
The more desired.
Yeah, if you have a yellow brick house, and these bricks aren't like those bricks, are they?
Like no, they're a modern day version. They're no, they're nothing like that. These are like circa 1850 to like 1910. This is why they're so valuable, because there's only a certain amount, there's a finite amount. It's like only when walls come down are they available.
You can get these, okay.